Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this episode, building the block walls officially begin and we're moving in full force. Like I mentioned in my previous video, it's just me as a laborer / helper and Nick as the block mason. He's the real star of this phase of the home, and I'll also walk you through the elevation page for my building plan so you can better visualize how my home will look when it's complete. Enjoy. Today is starting the second week of the block build, and it's going very well. Learning as I go and helping them along the way with like getting the bags of concrete and giving them water and stuff like that. So it's going really well, and I can't wait for the finished product. We do have the precast here, and sooner or later we're going to start putting them up. We're going to be renting a scaffold and a lift. Now there is one that's pretty big and we'll probably have to hire someone to get it. But for right now, we're doing the best we can with what we got. And yeah. So this is the exterior elevation page that shows the front, rear, and side views of the home. This page also gives a straight-on look at what the home will look once it's built. You can see the overall building height, the window and door placements, and how everything lines up structurally. Also, for me, it was like, ooh, I really love the shape of my home, how the roof looks, how many windows I have, and my pillars that are square, not circular, and my French door, of course. We got the scaffolding delivered, and I ordered 6 sections with 16 boards so we can have a long section. They were not light to move from the road to the back of the house. It was, I took several breaks catching my breath. So, yeah, out of shape.
How they lay them make it easier because they just start leveling themselves.
We got the precast situated where we can be able to move it closer to the openings, and I found a couple of guys to do the ready mix and the pump to fill in the cells and preparing for the inspection before then. I got my new trusses delivered yesterday, so yeah, things are moving along. We're getting some more materials delivered. We were short, but that's okay. It happens. Has been done. One guy, one man band. While the materials were being delivered, the very nice guy helped us out by using a lift to put the pre-stressed precast on the pillars. It was so awesome, and he was a lifesaver that day. See you next episode for part 2 of the block build. Bye.